The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery of the armed forces of the Russian Federation have neutralized 94 Ukrainian artillery units at their firing positions, enemy's manpower and military equipment in 117 areas during the day. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down one Su-24 aircraft of the Ukrainian Air Force near Krasny Liman in Donetsk People's Republic. Russian Air Defense Forces have intercepted 2 HIMARS projectiles during the day. Moreover, 5 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were shot down close to Novokrasnyanka, Naugalnoye, Kremenная, Chervonopopovka in Lugansk People's Republic, and Yelenovka in Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 407 airplanes, 228 helicopters, 3,741 unmanned aerial vehicles, 415 air defense missile systems, 8,647 tanks and other armored fighting vehicles, 1,082 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 4,570 field artillery cannons and mortars, as well as 9,483 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
The other side, the armed forces of Ukraine reported that Russia lost 540 servicemen within a day, including 10 armored vehicles, 7 artillery units and 5 drones. In total, Russia lost 180,590 servicemen since the start of the conflict, including 3,646 tanks, 7,053 armored personnel carriers, 2,777 artillery units, as well as 307 fighter jets, 293 helicopters and 2,339 drones. Russia and Ukraine conflict lasts for 413 days. There is still no peace talk agreement between two sides. The Ukrainian military also released footage of its troops destroying Russian fortifications in the forest. A Russian armored fighting vehicles was destroyed by UAV. Combat work of the 14th Separate Mechanized Brigade gave no chance to the enemy. President of Ukraine Volodymyr Zelensky swore not to forgive Russia invaders. There is something that no one in the world can ignore: how easily these beasts kill. We are not going to forget anything. Neither are we going to forgive the murderers. There will be legal responsibility for everything. The defeat of terror is necessary, Zelensky said.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.